Thank you to Hyasu for sponsoring this video. When you're running a busy house, the last thing you need is a security system that looks affordable in the box and then starts charging you every month just to save your footage. That was my main friction here. I wanted outdoor cameras that could cover the property, but I did not want to depend on cloud storage, another app upgrade, or one more subscription quietly stacking onto the budget. So here's the moment of truth with this Hyasu kit. The 10-inch touchscreen is not just a viewing monitor. It has a 500 gigabyte hard disk drive built into the monitor, which means your recordings are stored locally right here in the house. You get the monitor, the hard drive, the cameras, and the solar panels in one box. The cameras are very easy to install. They are solar powered, wireless, and dual lens with auto tracking. But the detail that actually changes the math is that you are not being pushed into paying monthly just to keep your footage. Absolutely everything you need is included in your single purchase.